Today's date is August 29th, 2024. We're at the DOC headquarters. Mr. Davis, would you state your name and DOC number, please?
Hey, how y'all doing? My name is Davell Davis. My DOC number 606-528.
Mr. Davis, I'm going to read the charges against you. What I'd like you to do is either plead guilty or not guilty or not guilty with a statement. You failed to restrain from criminal activities as evident by your arrest on 4/16/2024 by the Concordia Parish Sheriff Department for the charges of simple battery on a dating partner on 5/22/2024. You pled to no contest under 90955 to the amendment charges disturbing the peace and was sentenced to 36 days in the parish jail. How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty, or with a statement?
I plead not guilty.
You understand what I read?
Sir,
You understood what I read?
you read it one more time for me?
Okay. You failed to refrain from criminal activities as evident by your arrest on 4/16/24 by the Concordia Parish Sheriff Department for the charges of simple battery on a dating partner on 5/22/2024. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. You pled no contest under these charges, and an amendment charge was disturbing the peace and was sentenced to 36 days in the parish jail with credit time served. How do you plead?
Or not guilty?
Not guilty with a statement, but just not guilty.
Not guilty.
Okay. Today, your case has been assigned to me. What I'd like to do you want to make a statement first about this? Your case?
Yeah.
Tell us what happened.
It was a misunderstanding. Like I don't like she a friend. I know her, but she was dating somebody else, and she gave like the wrong name. I never harmed her or did nothing to her, so they had dropped my charges for disturbing the peace.
You didn't have any contact with her or any altercation?
Oh no, sir.
Okay. There was no violence or no scuffling or anything?
No, sir.
I see. And that's all you want to say about it?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to ask my colleagues if they have any questions. Ms. Stapleton, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir, I do. When I read the police report, the police came there and they could see that her face was bleeding. And they asked her what happened. And when she explained to them that you bit her on the face. So how in the world would she get you mixed up with somebody else?
I have a twin brother.
You have a twin brother?
Yeah.
Oh. So why didn't you tell them so they could go pick him up? That would have been a quick fix.
I did when I was in court. I was in court, but see
I think I would have done it when they were putting the click handcuffs on me. It's not me, it's my twin brother.
If they see his name Covell and my name Davell. I don't think she really knew our real names.
But you did.
Yeah, I told him I was Davell, but that's the name she gave him.
You didn't tell him it was your twin brother?
I mean, yeah, I told him I didn't date her like he was, but it wasn't nothing I can do. I was still going to jail. Like, so
So you just took it and went.
yeah, I was hoping I had beat it in court. And
Yeah. But
yeah.
you were the one that was on parole, right? Was your brother on parole too?
I don't know. I don't know if he on parole or not. I know I'm on parole.
Yeah, so you had a lot more to lose to go to
Yeah.
jail with, didn't you?
That's why I wouldn't do none of that.
I think I'd have squealed on him on something like that.
Hey, I don't really be big on trying to get in trouble on parole. I was paying. I was trying to walk it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, like I said, they saw that she that her face was bleeding, and she said that you bit her in the face, and so that there was a verbal altercation. There was an argument, and I don't know how in the world she'd have gotten you mixed up with your twin brother and why you didn't let him know it was him. But that's my only question. So I'm finished.
Mr. Prater, you have any questions?
Yes, sir.
You don't?
No.
Okay. I read your case and you have an identical twin brother?
Yes, sir. I think she had wrote a statement. I don't know if y'all had got it. She
So
had she had a statement in court, but we identical. Like y'all wouldn't know us apart.
he has a beard too,
Yeah,
and he has a beard. And she was dating him?
yeah.
Okay, I have no more questions.
We got the same mark tats on our face and everything.
I got you.
Yeah.
Same teeth and everything.
Yeah,
Gold?
he got one goal in his mouth too.
I got you. I got you. I have no more questions. Is the panel ready to vote?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, since I'm handling the case, I'm going to vote first. And my vote is to revoke. Mr. Prater?
Yes, I believe the same. I'm gonna concur with your vote, revoke.
And I concur to revoke.
Mr. Davis, your revocation has been revoked, and this will conclude our business with you today. Thank you so much, sir.